Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I've got another really useful accessory for anyone that's into cameras, action cameras, drones or any type of content creation. Please do like the video and please do subscribe to the channel. Honestly, it really does help me out so much. We're taking a look at the Ulanzi R094 double ball head super clamp. It's a compact mounting solution that promises to let you attach your camera or any accessories almost anywhere. Check out the link in the description if you do want to buy this product. Let's get it out of the box and see if it's worth adding to your camera bag. So straight away we've got the Ulanzi packaging. It's simple and compact, which usually means exactly what you need without loads of unnecessary extras. Inside the box we've got the clamp itself, and I have to say the first impressions are really good. This thing feels solid, it's made from aluminium alloy, it's got stainless steel components, so it really does have a premium feel straight away. It's not cheap plastic like some of the budget alternatives that you might have seen. Let's have a closer look. One of the standout features is the dual 360-degree ball heads. That means you can position your camera at virtually any angle before locking everything down. Both ends use standard 1/4-inch mounting screws. It means it's compatible with action cameras, mirrorless cameras, LED lights, microphones, phone holders and loads of other accessories. The clamp itself opens really nicely and widely, so you can attach it to things like tripods, bike handlebars, railings, tables, motorbike crash bars, poles and even tree branches if you're out filming in the woods. And there's rubber padding inside the jaws that should help protect whatever you're clamping onto while you're improving the grip. And what I really like is just how flexible this mount is. Instead of carrying around several different mounts, this one accessory can solve loads of filming situations. So this is true whether you're filming mountain biking, motorcycle rides, car content, travel vlogs or even behind the scenes footage. Having something like this gives you so many more creative camera angles. Ulanzi rates this to hold up to 3.5 kilograms, so it should comfortably support most cameras and accessories that you've got that realistically will mount on it. So I'm going to test this mount with the Monorim SUV S1 e-scooter and my DJI Osmo Action 4. So this footage is using the DJI Neo 2, and my plan here was just to intersperse it with some of the bar mounted footage from the Ulanzi grip and also the DJI Osmo Action 4. So this is with the grip mounted as you saw in the footage earlier. And I think it really keeps the footage quite interesting when you're flicking to and from the drone footage and also the bar mounted footage. Moving through this residential area here, all with unadopted roads, and as you can see you get a real sense of speed. So I'm just bringing the e-scooter to a stop here, and I've mounted the Ulanzi mount on the end of the bars this time, just to get a different set of footage. And this provides quite a nice angle. So it's a really great solution if you're somebody that's into capturing footage of e-mobility reviews in particular. That's sort of my specialism. So absolutely really pleased with this mount, really solid. You can be really confident that it's not going to go anywhere and it's going to hold your camera really well. Please do use the link in the description, and as always, please do like, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.